Okay, let's open this. Buksan natin ito ngayon. Nabili ko to sa Target. Okay. Buksan na. Open. A donuts. A plate. Oops. A glaze. Oh, so sweet. Let's start to make this. Put your resin at the top. Then the other one. It's fun to do this, guys. Okay. And we're going to put our sprinkle. All right, sprinkle real star. There you go. While you're done doing this, you put that in your UV light and start until it's dry. Okay, then while you're doing that, you can open one more mini food cafe. This is a cafe series, guys. While my other one is waiting, we're going to open this second ball. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of hard for me. Oh wow, good. This is different. Okay, next. It's fun to do this, guys. Oh wow, look at the whipped cream. The whippy. I think this is a straw. A little tiny straw. Sometimes you can. Oh, look at this pineapple. And a little tiny glass. Okay, the first one we made is vanilla donuts. Now it's done. Okay, I took the vanilla donuts like in the oven. Now it's done. All right, the first one is done. The second one we need to make. Okay, now we're going to make a pineapple smoothie. All right, so the first we can do is we put the glass, and then we need to open the juice. Okay, we're going to make a pineapple smoothie. Squeeze. Squeeze. Now I have a half one. I can put this in my UV light. Okay, down here. You can put that. Well, like, let's say 60 seconds. While we're doing that, we can. It's done. Wow. Come on, come on. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, put the straw. And our topping. I think my it's so, hold on. I think I need more of my topping. And we're going to put our pineapple. You need to put a little bit of the messy that I done so it's not coming out when they dry, okay? All right, then we need to put under our light. I'm going to open another one, guys. It's fun, it's messy. Okay. Now, stay. So look at what I did, guys. My little smoothie. So we need to put up there our donuts. It's fun to make, guys. Okay, this is our number 3. Ay, ay. Okay, that's not the same. We want that right, guys. Yep. Cup. Next, what's this? Wow, looks like ice. The ice for your smoothie. Next, sometimes I make a mess. Okay, straw. Okay, we have a straw now. Lemon, lime. Oh, another resin. Okay, this is the third one. Lime refresher para isisant a la lime refresco a la lima. Alright, so this is the ingredient. Okay, get ready, guys. Just sing, so make you relax to make this. Wow, look at the lime. Lima, one dropped. Okay, lime. Come on, lime. Oh, I lost one. And then all you have to do, mix with your straw. There you go. There you go. Go down there. And one more. Okay, where's my other one? I dropped it, guys. I lost one. There you go. There. Oh, there's some. Okay, after this, I think it's good. To put your lid, your eyes. Okay. Ice. Pour some ice. Come on, ice. Go down there. Wow. This is awesome. Get this ice with lime. All right. It is really cool. I don't know if it is working because... Alright, let me see. Hey, it's done. My Refresco lime refresco a la lima. That turned out good, guys. Look at that. Boop. Done. Can we put that in the corner? That means it's done. Okay, next. Far away, far away. You can tell this is different. Okay, that's a pink one. So, oh wow. This is not a drink. Okay. Alright. A beautiful and cute sprinkle. Wow, pinky. Okay, it's open. Another donut. I think this is the one here. The pink donuts. Big Nuts Roses. The Donuts Rosados. Okay. Let's put an our tray. This is a pink glaze. Alright, let's put an our tray with my donuts. La 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 la. Yes, and I are the one. Okay, the glaze. You know, when you put the glaze, gotta be careful. Okay, ready? Sprinkle. Alright, okay, now let's put an hour. It's done. When it is done, the light is off. So now it's ready. Look at this. This is all what I've done. So what do you think? Just comment down below. Give me a big thumbs up and like and comments and subscribe to my channel and share my video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to buy this at Target. This is available. Bye bye now. I love you guys.